Alright, y'all, so look, shout out to Jordan, right? This is his truck. It's going for sale. What's the price? What you want for it?
140 or best offer.
Okay, 140,000 or the best offer. So he gonna give y'all a rundown. The truck got mad shit on it, so he'll give y'all a rundown on everything it got. And if y'all know somebody or you want it, come check it out. So we're gonna start with the rim. We'll know what the truck in the year.
Yep. So we got a 2018 Ford F-250. Literally stripped the entire truck down, custom built it here at Extreme. This is our Extreme Edition vehicle. Custom one-off frame, all welded in all the holes, so it's a smooth frame. Ready to match the truck. It's on a 20-inch Ultimate Air Ride suspension. Got custom sway bar by Signature Metal Fab. Everything underneath the truck is powder coated red and white. I based the theme off of Supreme, which is a New York style clothing company. So we like to do little, mix-ups here every now and then. I'm riding on 28 by 16 specialty forged wheels. True spike lug nuts wrapped around a beautiful Fury off-road tire MT. We do have custom badges here in house. Actually, main event emblems made them for us with our Extreme logo. All the factory stuff from all the chrome and everything got painted red and white. Custom headlights by Morimoto, and then plain and simple did all the red paintwork in it. To add to it as well, we also have a custom grill, an Extreme grill made by Royalty Core. I got monster hooks front and rear, wrapped around with light bars made by Heist LED. I have AFE power, all the diff covers got redone by AFE, as well as I have an RK Sport functional ram air hood with an AFE power intake underneath. This list goes on and on.
Yeah, everything done as y'all see. The whole frame is done.
Everything.
Okay, nah, these just the outside of the truck, guys.
Just
so
the outside.
I'm just go ahead and let y'all see the outside.
Shot.
So, damn, they touch everything. Check this out, guys. Okay, as y'all see, everything done under this truck. They go to the back of the truck right here, as y'all see. That's the frame of the frame. Everything painted.
This is again Ultimate Air Ride, which is the airbag suspension, so it rides very smoothly. Got double hoops. That's a nice added feature. Flow Pro exhaust. PPI custom tune, so it blows that nice black smoke.
Right.
Got the custom Flow Air Ride tanks with the compressors to match. Got horn blasters, train horns.
There were the horns right there, y'all see.
We did a custom plate underneath, so where the spare tire used to be, because of course spare tire don't work no more.
Right.
Go Extreme or go home. Got the Go Recon custom taillights. We custom painted them as well. Plain and simple helped us out with that. And then of course, all the accents again, custom painted red and white.
Everything. They even got the spikes on the tag. That's crazy, bro.
All the little extra touches.
Yes, sir.
It makes a world of a difference.
Nah, they go to the beauty part. They go to the inside of this thing, man.
What is it? Cream on the inside, clean on the outside? What is it?
Yes, sir. Clean on the inside, clean on the outside.
There you go.
Grab the seat. Let me get up here.
Corey, don't fall now. Come on.
Come on, man. This time I'm going high. Woo! Okay, so now we in the inside of the truck. As y'all see, man, check me out. I'm gonna start out with the interior. As y'all see, the red interior. This dope. I really like that. That's dope. White. Steering wheel all did. Check out the seats. Got the diamond cut. The diamond, this on the diamond right here. You got a safe. You got a safe in the inside right here. Seats and everything did. On the back as well. As y'all see the back seats, they all did. And they got some, what you got here? He got 12s?
You got two 12s?
Two 12s. He got two 12s in this box right here. So yeah, it got music in it and everything. So this truck is done all the way through, man. So if you know anybody that want to buy it, you might want to buy it. Anything, you can probably finance. I don't know how you gonna do all that, but the truck is up for sale. So if y'all know somebody you want to get at it,
come get it.
Come get it. Holler at me through my DMs or comment down below. Or also I'll put Jordan Instagram link.
Y'all need to buy that shit. This shit is clean.
Man, this truck is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Also, that light up also, as y'all see. That's crazy, bro.
All light up badges.
All light up badges. So yeah, so yep. Sitting on what you sitting on 28s right now? 28s by 42s.
Yeah.
And
Fury off-road tires, yep.
it's for sale. So yeah, hit me up, hit them up, and that's it. Let me get a nice little thumbnail so y'all can see what truck I'm talking about. Hold up.